Alright guys, so this is the master lock I was talking about. I've done the packaging. It's open at the moment, so I'm going to get this fitted later on. See, at the moment it's unlocked. Comes with 4 keys, no idea where you need 4 keys, but it comes with them. To lock it, a little bit stiff. So that's it locked. Thinking putting the cable straight through here and then go to the charge point. It would just keep it a little bit more secure. Makes me feel better. It probably won't make any difference. If they really want it, they'll probably just bolt cut it, but hey ho, it will slow them down at least. So unlocked, just got to open up the shackle like that. Obviously you need to get this out so you can get to the plate at the back. So it comes with the Allen key. You just pop that in, and as you'll see in a minute, once you do that, it separates. Right, that's done. I mean, don't worry about someone being able to separate these when it's locked, because you can't actually get the Allen key in when this is down. I can probably show you now. See, that doesn't actually go anywhere. And then as soon as it is open, there you go, it goes in. It goes in a lot more, as you can see. But yeah, once it's down, you're not getting it in. It barely goes in at all. So once it's locked, you're pretty secure. So now, it means we can take off this protection plate and then back into the arming plate. So what you'll need is, you'll need something just to pilot hole it. The other thing you'll need is these couple of masonry bits. I've got a 16mm. Problem is I've got old London red, so they're quite powdery. So I'm actually going to be using a 14mm just because I don't want to oversize the hole, because that would be annoying. Comes with the M8 bolts. These are pretty straightforward. Literally, as you crank them up, you'll see this piece here slide into the sleeve and then expand. So it expands into the joint without having to worry about anything. You can probably see that really slowly now. Hold on. So they're getting pulled in. So obviously I like to keep that nice and wide for now. So that's not going to cause any issues. Yeah, once that's drilled out, that will go straight in, straight through here. Screw that all the way. That's literally straight in. And then you can imagine that going into the masonry like that. And then once we're up and built again, that gets slapped over, and then bolting done, finished, and you're in, ready to go. Let's move that up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's how it would be. So they're not going to be able to just unbolt it, they are going to have to come with some bolt cutters, but like I said, I mean, unless they're pretty decent bolt cutters, it'd be fairly hard to get through it. Plus it's going to be quite high up, so they won't be able to lever off the floor, like you see in a lot of the videos. With these bolt cutting padlock tests and everything, it's usually a guy with, you know, one sort of handle on the floor like that and the other one there, bolts here, they push down on it because that's on the floor and then it snaps it. But obviously if it's high up on the wall, it just makes it that little bit more difficult for them. Plus it's going to be against the bay window, so I'll show you, it probably won't be the easiest for the bigger bolt cutters. Yeah, right, so I'm going to do a quick time-lapse video just because it's terribly boring watching that sort of stuff, and like I said, I've explained it. It is literally just 2 holes in, crank it up, and then you're good to go.
Like so.
So you're just going to be putting in the gold sleeve. Like that. Sorry, didn't have a hammer with me. Right. That'll do. Right, and then this plate on. other one. Both bolts in. One thing I did forget was the security keys. Actually tighten these up. It's not the same as the Allen key that's provided, but it is nothing special. Right. We couldn't go get the bit that I need. Hold on. Right, so I got the bit that I needed. So you need a 5mm for this one that looks like that. Hopefully you can see that, a little 5mm piece. That literally just goes straight in and then you can crank it across with your ratchet. Or if you've got an Allen key, that will do it, it'll just take it a little bit longer. So that's it. You are in. It's nice and tight against that. Could go in like so. That's it. Finished. Show you what it looks like. So I mean that's it on the wall. So that is perfect. That can just go around, and then when you're ready, pop your key in. Easier said than done. Pop your key in. There we go. Turn it around, release the shackle, and off you go with your cable. So I'm probably just going to keep this key with the lock. So I mean, this is the pod point system I ended up getting. I got the untethered because, well, probably regrettably, I didn't want the cables all over the place, but really I could have just put the cable here and no one would have really noticed, but never mind, it's done now. I've got a lock on it, so at least that way there's no unauthorised use, although I've only got 7 kilowatts, which again probably wasn't needed, but I thought I may as well. So it's type 2, we're ready to go. So yeah, at least that way, put the cable in here, run it through here, and then when the Tesla comes off and ready to charge. So yeah, that's how you do it. Quick video.